Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Forever DLX 4-in-1 car seat in forward-facing mode using the vehicle seat belt. Before we begin, you'll need to prep your car seat. Remove the infant supports and seat insert and set them to the side. The infant supports are for rear-facing use only. Next, make sure your lower anchors are stored in the blue rear-facing belt path. Unhook the tether strap from the plastic bar and lay it in the seat. Recline the car seat using the handle at the front of the seat into one of the 3 forward-facing recline positions, ensuring it is appropriate for your child's weight. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat forward-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Next, expose the forward-facing belt lock-off by raising the headrest. Lift the headrest pad flap out of the way. Undo the 2 lower snaps. Open the belt lock-off. Route the vehicle seat belt through the orange forward-facing belt path, making sure it is under the belt lock-off and lies flat and is not twisted. Buckle the seat belt. To tighten the vehicle seat belt, place your hand on the center of the seat and pull on the shoulder belt while feeding the slack back into the retractor. Once slack is removed, close the belt lock-off until you hear a click. Extend the tether by lifting up on the tether lock and attach. Tighten the tether strap to remove all the slack. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the forward-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than an inch, open the belt lock off, remove more slack from the vehicle seat belt, close the belt lock off, then retest for tightness. Replace the headrest pad flap and move the headrest to the proper position for your child. Reattach the seat insert if your child is less than 40 pounds by threading the buckle through the correct slot and placing the harness straps between the insert sides and middle section. Then attach the pins on the insert strap on each side of the seat. Your car seat is now installed.